Alright, so the next one's a carbon monoxide test. So the problem is that this smoke spray can't even get into the sensors.
Yeah, we don't want to do that.
So we're going to be testing the test button.
Perfect.
This one's valve.
Okay.
242.
Mm.
The fan dropped last system test. And we're gonna wait for this to
Reset.
Get to 0.
Okay.
For the wait
there it goes.
For the wait for the
It's resetting.
For the wait for this stuff, you know. It's called the explosive gas alarm and the carbon monoxide alarm. So gas can test to and see.
Oh, and we're back to 0.
And the way you test the batteries is simply cut to shoot. Simply get this thing. Oh, and this one could be easy because I could just basically shake this thing out, and this one has a hot detachable set. So let's see if this one goes.
Perfect.
Good.
Still green.
Good.
Put them on the right way. There you go.
I think it's good. Alright.
Alright.
Now let's reset.
Back on the wall. Perfect.
So this one's actually perfect.
Alright.
This one's tested.